Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and I'm going to show you how to factory reset it when it won't turn on. At first, prepare yourself a cable that supports the data transfer, like this one for example. Here I've got USB type A to type C. Type A to connect it to my computer, type C to connect it to my phone. So at first let me plug it to my PC. And then, after plugging it to my PC, we're going to plug the second part to our phone. So, plug it to your phone. Once you've got it connected to your PC, which is turned on, which is supposed to be turned on, and here we've got this power icon. You need to wait till it goes off, and it should take a moment. My screen is so dirty, let me clean it quickly. We are waiting still. Now we've got this icon turned off. You need to now hold power and volume up buttons till you see Samsung logo appearing on the screen. So power and volume up. Keep holding them simultaneously, and once you see Samsung logo, lift the finger from the power button up. Keep holding the volume up till you see this mode. This is the recovery mode. Here you need to click volume down and click power on wipe data / factory reset. Here click the volume down to confirm, and now power to confirm factory data reset. That's how it works. Bye!